body paragraphs will be greatly made easy by this commander if it is officially correct. As I said earlier, this master will be repeatedly used in its honor. If you use my way of teaching about thesis statement writing, which will already occupy half of the body weight, you will not, of course, copy it word for word, but use its true original ideas and terms. It should appear in each structural level, no break, no twists, no missing links. This is to ensure a strong supporting relationship in which the essay is well developed. Next is the question of how to write each part of this giant sentence. Why should we say the effort you spent for the thesis statement is not casual and simple? Writing such a sentence with a 35% effort is worthy. Nevertheless, you have already made a 70% of essay work. So, it does save you another roughly about double of your time and work. It is a matter of working hard and serious at the beginning and get easier and clearer each further down. That too gives readers a sure, comforting consent of your opinions and claim. Vice versa, casual start will lead to messy more and more later on, as we have seen and analyzed in all previous lectures. Technically, ideas will show up evenly in each of these three major parts, with body topic ideas inherited from thesis statement and reinforced again in conclusion. We will teach you how to do this important yet easy job to write such a magic sentence word by word and part by part. In due course, you can write fast for high scores without wandering around. I am to enable you to overcome the fear of academic writing as of essay styles, which in fact, you will agree with me by now, is much simpler than any of other literature once you see through its nature. Thank you, and I enjoy discovering a new Newfoundland with you. And let me know any of your questions, concerns, and needs. Let's learn and grow together. Please also take special care at this time of COVID-19. Until then, we celebrate.